Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. So, to achieve success, we must be dedicated because nothing is going to happen overnight. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the theme Hard Work. Working hard is greatly valued in society, and from childhood we are told that if we work hard, we will succeed. My dear friend, God rewards those who work hard, and that comes in a variety of ways. Now we will start today's morning assembly. Let us pray to God for strength and energy to work hard. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, being a citizen of India, we have some duties and responsibilities towards our country. Pledge reminds us of how fortunate each of us are to live in a country that values freedom. Let us show respect for our country through pledge. Next, I would like to invite Jay from class 8 for pledge. Thank you, Jay. Ever heard the saying, dreams don't work unless you do? It doesn't matter how big or how small our dreams are. What's important is that we believe in them enough to work hard to achieve them. Dear friends, our thinking helps us to define and organize experiences, plan, learn, reflect, and create. Next, we have thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite Meera from class 8. Thank you so much, Meera, for such a nice thought. It's important for us to have good vocabulary. A rich vocabulary makes the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing easier to perform. Let us enhance our vocabulary, and I would like to invite Viren from class 8 for word of the day. Thank you so much, Viren, for enhancing our vocabulary. Each day brings with it the potential for learning, understanding, and new experiences, discoveries, revelations. Let us know what is the importance of today. For this, I would like to invite Rayan from class 8. Thanks, Rayan, for this important information. Puppetry plays an important role in disseminating knowledge in most parts of the world. It imbibes elements of all art forms such as literature, painting, sculpture, music, dance, drama, and enables to develop speaking skills, listening skills, and creative abilities. And next we have a puppet show. For this, I would like to invite students from class 8. After puppet show and national anthem, a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. My dear friends, if one takes a look at the successful men and women in the world, he or she will realize that they climbed the stairs of success after years of hard work. So, in order to make one's dreams a reality, one should be diligent, confident, and hardworking. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.